Create viral AI movie trailers for free, 2025 edition. Do you know what's cooler than creating Hollywood-level movie trailers? Doing it for free with AI tools. That's right. AI has taken over the creative world, and today I'm going to show you how to ride the wave of this revolutionary tech and create stunning movie trailers that captivate audiences and go viral. Imagine crafting jaw-dropping trailers with no coding skills, no expensive software, and no big production budgets. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up because I'm about to prove it. Why AI movie trailers are blowing up. AI-generated movie trailers are the new black. They're thrilling, they're innovative, and they're taking YouTube by storm. Channels dedicated to AI trailers have racked up hundreds of thousands of subscribers and are making serious cash, some pulling in thousands of dollars every single month. All they do is use AI tools to create eye-catching cinematic trailers. Here's the best part. The barrier to entry is practically gone. A few years ago, creating trailers like these required expensive gear and professional expertise. Now, with free AI tools, anyone with a vision and a laptop can do it. So whether you're a creative looking to make a mark or someone just curious about how AI is revolutionizing content creation, this guide is for you. Step 1. Choose the perfect movie theme. Every great trailer starts with a captivating concept. What's your vibe? Action-packed blockbusters, heartwarming romantic comedies, spine-chilling horror? Pick a movie theme that excites you. Here's the pro tip. Start with movies you know inside out. Why? Familiarity helps you bring the story to life in your trailer. For this demo, I'll show you how to reimagine a classic like Pirates of the Caribbean. From its iconic characters to breathtaking settings, this franchise is a goldmine of inspiration. But don't stop there. Explore YouTube channels already rocking the AI trailer niche for inspiration. See what's working, study the pacing, visuals, and soundtracks, and use those as building blocks for your masterpiece. Step 2. Draft your trailer scene. Breakdown. Now let's structure your trailer. Think of it like building a mini movie with a gripping narrative arc. Plan out 3 to 5 key scenes that highlight the essence of your chosen movie. Start with a hook, something that grabs attention immediately. Then, layer in rising tension and finish with an epic climax that leaves viewers in awe. Stuck on where to start? Enter ChatGPT. This tool is a scriptwriter's best friend. Craft a prompt like, generate a trailer script for a high-stakes pirate adventure with sword fights, stormy seas, and a cursed treasure. Within seconds, you'll have a solid draft to build on. Refine it, add your unique touch, and voila! Your trailer's backbone is ready. Step 3. Create stunning visuals with AI. This is where the magic happens. Visuals are the soul of your trailer. Use Flux 1.1 Pro to generate jaw-dropping images. Why Flux? It delivers next-level quality. Think Mid-Journey, but with even more cinematic vibes. Here's the process. Sign up for Flux on platforms like Segmind, free credits included. Thank me later. Input detailed prompts. For example, a pirate ship caught in a storm under a blood-red sky. Adjust parameters for high-resolution cinematic results. Before you know it, you'll have visuals that look like they belong in a blockbuster. Save these images. They're the building blocks of your trailer. Step 4. Turn images into cinematic clips. Static. Images are cool, but we're making a trailer. Enter Minia Max AI, the ultimate video generator. This tool animates your images, creating seamless, dynamic clips. Upload your images. Add prompts like, pan across a stormy ocean, or zoom in on a pirate's intense gaze. Let the AI do its thing. In minutes, you'll have breathtaking clips that scream Hollywood. Trust me, watching your static visuals come to life is an experience you won't forget. Step 5. Add epic background music. What's a trailer without music? The right track sets the tone, builds tension, and hooks your audience emotionally. Use Suno, an AI music generator that's free and ridiculously easy to use. Sign up and pick a genre, epic orchestral, eerie horror, or adrenaline-pumping action. Customize tempo and mood to match your trailer's vibe. Generate your track and listen to the magic unfold. With the perfect soundtrack, your trailer will hit harder and stay with viewers longer. Step 6. Edit like a pro with CapCut. Now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. CapCut is the free video editor you didn't know you needed. Import your clips, soundtrack, and text overlays. Use transitions like fades and cuts to create a seamless flow. Add text for dramatic impact. A curse that time forgot. Or, this summer, adventure returns. Layer in sound effects, swords clashing, thunder roaring to add depth. Experiment with filters and effects to give your trailer that polished, cinematic feel. Step 7. Final touches and publishing. The hard part is over. Now, export your trailer in high quality, review it for perfection, and upload it to YouTube. Optimize your title, description, and keywords to attract the maximum audience. For an extra push, share it across social media platforms and engage with viewers in the comments. Why This Matters AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's democratizing creativity, giving everyday people the power to produce extraordinary content. Movie trailers are just the beginning. By diving into this trend, you're not only exploring your creative potential, but also tapping into a lucrative, growing market. So what are you waiting for? Your blockbuster trailer is just a few clicks away. If this guide inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and let's keep creating. Blast off.